Welcome, I'm Vanessa McLean, one of the UK ambassadors for PayFbit, a unique blockchain-based crypto asset ecosystem of the future. And today I'm going to take a little time, share with you this amazing opportunity, PayFbit. Welcome and thank you for taking time to look at something really incredible. No doubt you've been invited by someone to take a look at this amazing, phenomenal opportunity that's growing rapidly all around the world. Well, what are we going to discuss? We're going to take a look at the financial revolution, blockchain technology, and the digital currency. And if you're anything like me, this has been an incredible year because we've heard blockchain, we've heard the words crypto assets, we've heard the words tech royalties. Well, this is some of the things we're going to be introducing to you over the next few minutes. We're planning to launch a brand new worldwide ecosystem that's going to be the future of payments and a launch pad for new, innovative, technology-driven products. As you know, technology is reinventing money. And how is it doing that? Well, through encryption and blockchain technology, which creates new possibilities for money. Autonomous digital currency systems, which offer transparent, global, and here's the most important, frictionless values of exchange. You may be sending money by companies like, for example, MoneyGram, and you know how long that takes just to send some money to a relative in a foreign country. Well, we're going to have our autonomous digital currency system that will take away that time. And of course, networks, which are the new source of value. And you can also, just looking around, especially over the last few months, really see that physical assets are fading. Well, technology has changed the world and how we do business, and it will forever change. If we look back as far as the 2nd century, there was a new technology, and it was the paper technology. And you may laugh now, paper technology way back in the 2nd century. And it was high tech. But we've moved through the years and we've moved through the decades and we've moved through the centuries. And let's take a look specifically something quite closer to what we're all familiar with in 1941, when the computer, that bit of technology, came to our very presence. And I don't think there's hardly anyone today who doesn't have access to technology in the form of some kind of computer, whether it be a handheld device, laptop, or a desktop. Well, things have moved on since then, and we're all connected to this incredible world wide web. And that came into existence in 1990. But now, blockchain technology is a new way to send money online, and it's called cryptocurrency, and that's where we're heading. Take a look at this video.
Have you heard of Bitcoin? It's currently the most valuable digital currency on Earth. In July 2010, one Bitcoin was worth just 8 cents, but on March the 3rd, 2017, one Bitcoin became worth more than an ounce of gold. We've all witnessed the world go digital. The internet and smartphone have revolutionized our day-to-day lives, and yet, through it all, our money has remained fairly unchanged, until now. Bitcoin's innovative design has attracted attention the world over, and many early adopters have made millions from tiny deposits as its value has skyrocketed. Both Richard Branson and Bill Gates are fans of the idea of a global digital currency. But they both predict that Bitcoin won't be the dominant digital currency due to its many problems. Its transactions are slow, it can be used anonymously, it can't comply with existing regulations, and it lacks effective governance. More practically, it's likely not accepted at your local store, so don't expect to buy your morning coffee with Bitcoin anytime soon. But it's important that you pay attention to the growth of Bitcoin because something bigger is coming next. Bitcoin is built on technology called the blockchain, which experts predict will be the next big technology revolution and will likely become bigger than the internet itself. The blockchain allows anybody on the planet to transfer value without risk of fraud, duplication, or interference. This technology has given rise to hundreds of digital currencies, all hoping to become more useful and more valuable than Bitcoin. So the race is now on to find a future format of money. Some of the world's most innovative businesses are focused on bringing the next digital currency to market. They want to address the weaknesses of Bitcoin and deliver a digital currency that will be embraced by millions of mainstream users throughout the world. For those who recognize the opportunity, the potential gains are sure to be unprecedented.
And there you have it. So we're looking at something incredible. Welcome to PayFbit Evolution, the PayFbit ecosystem. So our aim is to provide huge impact to the digital future with trust redefined, high performance using blockchain distributed technology. It's a platform that is going to provide real world applications.
The blockchain technology wave is giving the world a new paradigm shift and innovative way to transact globally without third-party interference or restrictions. Growing adoption of blockchain technology and crypto assets is changing the way we see monetary transactions in today's world. However, in the existing crypto world, there is a lack of applications which gives complete freedom to use crypto assets as a mainstream financial instrument. If you're not involved in blockchain and crypto assets revolution and wondering what are the safest way to use your crypto assets, let us help you. Introducing PayFbit, a new smart blockchain-based ecosystem that will enable you to carry out transactions, exchange and spend crypto assets borderless, frictionless and cost-effectively. Welcome to our ecosystem. 1. PayFbit Wallet. 2. PayFbit Exchange. 3. PayFbit P2P Exchange. And 4. PayFbit Smart Card. Now you can hold, send, receive, spend, and convert digital assets in a secure and flexible ecosystem. Withdraw fiat currency from the ATM in real time. Pay utility bills and shop online with the crypto assets in your PayFbit wallet and get cashbacks. Make mobile transactions and crypto payments on your fingertips. Not just that. With high security, negligible transaction fee, and low turnaround time, you can use your wallet on any device. Also, you can conduct banking and external exchanges with complete safety. Participate in our ICO payfbit.com and be a part of the crypto revolution. Together, we will change the world. The push is on for crypto assets. By doing so, it will revolutionize future payments, services, and businesses. Take full advantage. Be early adopter by investing in PayFbit Network. As token holder, you will be given access to the PayFbit unique ecosystem. Visit www.payfbit.com.
And there you have it, PayFbit, the new ecosystem. Let's take a look at the vision of our founders. We have Kamal Wadhwa, and these are all co-founders, Harvinder Singh Adi, Ronak Singh Tamar, and Vishal Malhotra. And their primary vision is to provide you with the independent ability to own your own crypto asset portfolio so that you can also create wealth that conceptually ascertain your freedom. So what is our mission? Well, the main focus point is to help crypto assets to move fast in the mainstream and to enable potential users to understand the various advantages of making transactions on the blockchain technology. And this is done by using our unique PayFbit wallet and our trading platform. With the mission, there are three core foundations, and they're listed quite clearly here. Number one, to enrich people via education and lifestyle. Two, to provide real economic value. And number three, to provide a variety of solutions via our ecosystem. So welcome to our unique blockchain-based crypto asset ecosystem. We're going to take a look at the four main pillars of our ecosystem. And just to let you know that they provide borderless, frictionless, and cost-effective transactions via our versatile products. And the four main products are our wallet, our trading exchange, the P2P exchange, and the smart card. We're going to take a closer look at each one of those. We're going to start by looking at the wallet. And we've got a little diagram here so you can see how highly versatile it is. It allows you to hold and use crypto assets as well as support fiat currencies. And the wallet is enhanced with multi-layered security. You've got your external exchange. You can do online shopping if you're anything like me. You like to do that. You'll have the capacity to do that. You'll be able to have ATM, utility bills paid, and of course, bank accounts and different PayFbit wallet merchants, which is going to make your life so much easy. So let's look at some of the key features, the high-level features that are included in this wallet. Atomic swap between cryptos, automatically done between different cryptocurrencies. Real-time withdrawals through ATMs. I mean, currently, sometimes you're waiting to change your cryptocurrency, and it can take quite a bit of time. But what we're going to have is real time. You'll be able to pay your utility bills, buy crypto with your credit cards, debit cards directly from your wallet. And you'll be able to use iOS or Android, Windows to do your transactions. Carry out online shopping, as I mentioned. Anti-money laundering and KYC, know your customer verifications, are required due to compliance. And of course, merchant API for business. We've got a built-in referral system, and that's going to be really interesting as we move along, as we build and as we grow. And it gives you fully autonomous crypto transactions. So we just looked at the wallet. We're going to take a closer look at the trading exchange. Again, there's fiat money support. Know your customers, KYC, anti-money laundering verification. This is really going to be important with our new way of transacting. There's going to be multi-currency pairing for Forex trading, and your integrated wallet will be able to upload and buy different cryptocurrencies. There's a marginal trading API for upscaling your trading and a wide range of instruments for your trading. Technical charting capabilities for your technical analysis, and discounts and bonuses. And this is going to be a key again, because as you begin to purchase your tokens, you'll be glad you are. There'll be discounts and different bonuses offered to you. Multilingual support will be available, as this will be a global business. The initial exchange offering Launchpad for other tokens, and that's coming as well. There's a built-in referral system, and two-factor authentication will be implemented. Now let's take a look at the exchange. PayFbit has a P2P exchange, and it is maintained and operated exclusively on a blockchain-powered system. And this allows users to transact independently without any third party. It's seamless transactions with our peer-to-peer exchange. So it has its high-level features as well, which includes a powerful matching engine. Multi-layered security will be implemented. KYC, just like the others, and anti-money laundering verification are required due to compliance. Once You've made purchases. There is an escrow account where your funds will be sitting nice and safely. There is atomic swap, crypto to crypto, and any disputes will be managed ASAP. Preferred trader selections will be available and multi-language support will be available. And finally, we're going to take a look at the smart card. PayFbit is developing a smart card which can be used at any payment point accepting Visa, MasterCard. And it has high level security and negligible transaction fees. And some of the features include instant access, and I think that's going to be really quite important that you can get access to your digital currency whenever you need it without any hassle. Low transaction times, and all passcodes will be fully secured. You'll be able to freeze and unfreeze your cards with your mobile app. You'll be able to create free virtual card for online purchases, cashback on all purchases with your PFBit tokens, and payment to merchants will be made to merchants in the local country currency. You'll be able to view your PINs and change it at any ATM around the world. So you'll be glad to know that we are live with our public ICO, and our PayFbit token are 12 cents. And this will remain for a little while. Currently, there is a 25% added bonus whenever you purchase your PayFbit token. There's a $2 million soft cap and a $22 million hard cap. And we're going to take a look at how the tokens have been distributed so far. There's been an allocation, and I'm quickly going to run through this, for the bounty airdrops. The 7% ratio, 21.7 million tokens were distributed. For the development team, 3%, which equated to 9.3 million tokens. The co-founders, the ratio that they get, the co-founders and managing partners, is 10%, and that's equivalent to 31 million tokens. The ICO advisors, they get 10% of the tokens, 31 million. And further development, 4%, which equates to 12.4 million tokens. Legal advisors allocated 3%, and their share, 9.3 million tokens. The ICO is live. 45% of the ratio of my tokens allocated to that, which equates to 139.5 million tokens. And the private sale ended, 18% was allocated to that. 55.8 million tokens have gone into the private sale. So you can see from the pie chart below the allocations, the bounty, and how the distribution has and is still going. When our founders put together this roadmap, they had a very clear idea where they wanted to be. And we are already ahead of the roadmap. In fact, I believe we're still 6 months ahead of where we need to be. The full detail, very comprehensive roadmap details can be found on the PayFbit website, payfbit.com. So I'm encouraging you to take a time, run through the roadmap and look at the very distinctive quarters and the achievements and where we are and where we expect to be within the next 6 months. You're in the right place at the right time to make the right decisions. So crypto is a brand new asset class. You may ask, where is the smart money going? Where is it moving to? Well, it's all going into crypto assets. So let's take a look at this and understand why you are an early adopter in this phenomenal opportunity. Well, there are over 60 stock exchanges in the world. There's total stock market approximately 90 trillion US dollars. Wouldn't it be amazing if some of this went into crypto? Well, Tim Draper, tech venture capitalist says crypto market will go to $80 trillion. And even if 1% of that went into crypto, the market has the potential to go into sevenfold. That has the potential, again, to be absolutely huge. Paul Tudor Jones, American philanthropist, and a renowned hedge fund manager, has 1% to 2% of his portfolio in crypto assets, mostly in BTC futures. And that amounts to 51 to 102 million in crypto. Well, he says Bitcoin may be the best hedge against inflation. Tim Draper, he has a net worth of 1 billion, and he says, I'm out of stocks and all into crypto. Well, if all the billionaires 1% went into crypto, that would increase the market cap to 3.2 trillion US dollars. And presently, the market cap is at $330 billion. Grayscale Investments, the world's largest digital asset manager and a very trusted authority on the digital currency investing. Grayscale provides secure access and diversified exposure to the digital currency asset class. Their clients pay premium price for crypto assets. Presently, the assets under management is 5.5 billion. Jamie Dimon, chairman of CEO and CEO of JP Morgan. In 2014, he said Bitcoin is a terrible store of value. 2015, he went on to say Bitcoin will never survive. 2016, Bitcoin's going nowhere. He even went on to say in 2017 that Bitcoin is a fraud. Then he bought millions with Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan. Well, things change. 2018. I don't really give an shit about Bitcoin. And then in 2020, JP Morgan are now offering bank services to Coinbase and Gemini crypto exchanges. Ask yourself, what will be next? Well, there's a new asset class and it's making history. Kraken, I don't know, you may have heard the news recently, but Kraken cryptocurrency exchange gets US banking license and plans to be a global bank. Kraken Financial is the first digital asset company in US history to receive a bank charter recognized under federal and state law in Wyoming. Well, Visa looks to be laying the groundwork for a future where fiat currencies such as the US dollar could easily be turned into a central bank digital currency, a CBDC. There was a filing which was filed in the US Patent and Trademark Office in November 2019, and that was made public in April 2020. It went on to say that the system would be able to mint digital fiat currency and keep a tally of all issuances on the blockchain. It will be managed by a central entity computer, and the system would also remove physical cash from circulation. So, what is the opportunity? Well, there are a number of advantages to be a PayFbit token holder, including a passive income opportunity. We're going to get to that in just a moment. So this is what it looks like, the PayFbit token holder benefits. PayFbit token holders get discounts on trading fees up to 90%. They're eligible to earn rewards on staking. The PayFbit exchange will use 50% of all trading fees earned by PayFbit tokens from the market and redistribute to PayFbit token holders as rewards are earned by the holders. In the future, PFBT will implement exclusive rights based on PayFbit token ownership. Those rights will entitle PayFbit holders to additional services, e.g. voting rights and PayFbit smart card. What does that really look like? Well, here's an example of a community voting on an exchange. Some months ago, Binance had a community voting where their customers or their token holders were able to choose between two coins. And this is something that we will be having on our PayFbit platform. You, the token holders, will be able to choose which other tokens you would like to have on your platform that you can purchase as additional cryptocurrencies. And that's done through voting. So how do you get involved in PayFbit token offering? Well, there are 4 key steps that you can take. And number 1, sign up for the PayFbit airdrop campaign and receive 10,000 redeemable candies. It's very easy, it's very simple. Get your account KYC verified and receive an additional 5,000 candies. Invite and refer others to take part in the airdrop. Receive 5,000 candies for every referral. Each token purchased by your referral during the ICO will get you an additional 10% bonus tokens. Finally, buy PayFbit tokens and start earning rewards by staking them when the wallet goes live. There are 5 effortless ways to earn PayFbit tokens. Collecting airdrops by taking part in the Candy program. Inviting and referring others to take part in the airdrop. Tokens purchased during the ICO by your referrals will get you an additional 10% bonus tokens. Of course, you could become a contributor or a country ambassador and earn monthly rewards in PayFbit tokens by doing simple tasks. Accepting PayFbit for goods and services, and staking and earning tech royalties. So what do you need to do? What action do you need to take? Well, buy PayFbit tokens, ideally 10,000. And there's a planned yield of 15% for staking those tokens. Buy it now at payfbit.com whilst we're in the ICO stage and hold those tokens. You might be asking, well, how much do I buy? How much do I buy? Well, here are some possible position sizes. If you're a small trader, you can purchase anything between $300 to $500 worth. Medium trader, maybe $1,000 to $1,500. If you're a pro or a larger trader, then purchase $2,500 or more. So here are some additional announcements and how you can earn PayFbit. Get your referral to purchase $500 worth of tokens. You're rewarded 10% in crypto as commissions, and that's in the participated crypto of the person who you referred. And then to qualify for the commission, you must also purchase $500 worth of PayFbit tokens. If you haven't purchased $500 worth of tokens, then your commission will be held until you've purchased that amount yourself. The minimum withdrawal of any commission is $50, and terms and conditions apply. Well, what are some of the preferred wallets to participate in PayFbit ICO? Well, there's the MyEther wallet, and that's a desktop and a mobile wallet. MetaMask wallet, which is a desktop wallet. Trust wallet and Map wallet, they're both mobile wallets. And of course, you can go for the hardware wallets, Trezor and Ledger Nano S. Never, ever, ever send any funds from any exchanges. Send them from your private wallets to PayFbit. Protect your assets at all times. So where else are we? Well, we're on Telegram, so you can join our Telegram channel. Join today. Don't delay, because when you join today, you receive a further 5,000 candies. Our PFBit ecosystem is all-inclusive, secure blockchain-based platform for making fast transactions with your crypto assets. PFBit has extended an extremely good offer. If you buy up to 50,000 tokens, you'll receive a 25% bonus. And if you purchase 99,999 tokens, you'll receive 35% bonus. So this is your time. Participate in the crypto crowd sale. We're in the crowd sale now with 100,000 PayFbit tokens, and you get a 50% bonus. We are still in the crowd sale. Our tokens are still at a very low cost. Make the most of it now. We can only show you the information, then it's up to you to decide, and that's why I'm sharing this with you today. Our crowd sale, it's still on. Grab your tokens now. Our aim is to become the best payment platform supporting cryptocurrencies, a novel approach to pushing the envelope of crypto asset management. Thank you for listening to the presentation. Thank you for your time. Go back to the person who invited you to this presentation and make sure you get their link and register at PayFbit. I'm Vanessa McLean, UK Ambassador at PayFbit.